Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to create 3D pop out couple picture using Canva. So let's start with it. So I will be choosing Instagram story as our canvas. So I will choose a blank template here. Okay, so I have zoomed it properly so that I can show it to you in a better way. So I will use these two images for the editing, and let's put our first image, and this is the remove background image as you can see here. So either you can remove background by directly using Canva Pro account, and if you don't have a Canva Pro account, no issues with that, you can use photopea.com. as you can see the link here. I'll also link it in the description, and the picture link also I will share it in the description. You can directly check this out. And many of you have also wanted to know that what are the accessories I use to design all my Canva tutorials. So all the accessories will be in the description. You can check them out, and you can also purchase it directly from there. So let's zoom it a bit so that we can check the exact dimension match is happening or not. So as you can see, a slight mismatch is happening, so we have to correct it. So let's make it slightly bigger. Let's check it if it's working or not. So to check it in a better way, you can do one thing, just crop it out and check. So it's working. As you can see here, it's working fine. So we will just do Ctrl X, means I will cut it and I will paste it here because we don't require it now, we will require it later. So to start our work, we'll unzoom a bit. Okay, so to start our work, we will just do the cropping of this photo. So the first cropping will be like this, because we want to make the head also pop out. So the first cropping is like this. Make a duplicate of it, place it right here, next make it bigger. Okay, and let's check if it's working or not. So let's place it here and let's send to backward. Okay, so in that way it looks like it is a continuing image. And let's do for the third one. So for the third one we will keep right here so that we can make the pop out effect. So we will send it to backward again. So for this one we will just slice it a bit, and for the next one again we will do the same. Slice it more. Okay, so for the background to look proper, we'll set a solid color background. Let's use this color and just increase the color palette here so that it looks a lighter version of this coat color as it is taken from the photo color section. And we will now bring in the elements, and we will use this lines and shapes. This one right here I will place right here, and I will drag it. I will make it white, and I will send to back. Okay, so let's adjust the size. Okay, increase here and duplicate it, place it right here, again send to back. This time I will do for this one. Okay, again duplicate it, place it right here, send to back. And now as you can see, the effect is done. So now I will bring the image which I have kept it here, and I will paste it right here. And now as you can see, a pop-out effect is done here. So let's unzoom it and see if it is looking proper or not. It's looking proper. Let's adjust the white segment. Right here, so it looks good. Now we have to work on one thing, which is shadow. So for that we'll use shadow here. We'll use the first one. Let's make it smaller. And place it right here for the girl's foot, and also let's duplicate it and place it for the boy's foot. Okay, so both are done. So as you can see, this is the picture which I was talking for, and this is the editing, and this is how you can design a couple photo effect, 3D photo effect for you and your projects. Hope you like the tutorial, and please do comment if you have facing any problem in designing this tutorial or any other tutorial, so we can help you out accordingly. Thank you.